Gusto mo, you want itlog. Masarap yung ulam mo. Nakalimutan ko yung intro ko. This is part 4. This is day 3. Bakit nawawala ako sa sarili ko? Erase. This is day 4, part 2 of talking to my camera until I get comfortable. So, I'm eating my dinner early. Usually, early talaga ang dinner ko. Dahil, later on, papasok na ako sa loob to start my work. I have 1 full-time job and 1 part-time job. So, I spend 2 hours sa aking part-time Monday to Friday. And the rest, full-time kapag weekends. Kasi yung full-time job ko mag-start at 8 p.m. So, 6 p.m. ako nagsa-start mag-work sa aking part-time job. Kaya dapat 5 p.m. pa lang nakapag-dinner na ako. Then, maliligo. Then, magkukulong na ako sa kwarto dahil ang anak ko magulo. Para makafocus ako sa work. So, ayun. Ganun lang. Kalimutan ko tuloy yung aking script. And masarap to, Lux avocado, pang beauty drink, something. May collagen siya. L-glutathione, ginseng, L-carnitine, so pampalakas ng katawan. Yun lang.